Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make blooming onion batter. First, whisk together 1½ cups of all-purpose flour and ½ cup of cornstarch in a large bowl. This combination is key for achieving that perfect crispy texture. Next, add 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Don't forget ½ teaspoon of garlic powder and ¼ teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Now, let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 large egg with 1 cup of milk until thoroughly combined. For an extra layer of flavor and a bit of zest, stir in 1 tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce. This liquid mixture will bind our dry ingredients beautifully, creating a smooth and consistent batter. Make sure everything is well incorporated before moving to the next step. It's time to bring it all together. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Keep mixing until your batter is completely smooth and uniform. The goal is a consistency that's thick enough to generously coat your onion petals without being too heavy. This ensures a crispy, flavorful crust on every bite. Before dipping your onion, let the batter rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the flour to fully hydrate, resulting in an even crispier coating. When you're ready, fully submerge your prepared blooming onion, ensuring every petal is thoroughly coated. Then, carefully transfer it to hot oil, heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and fry until golden brown and delicious.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.